छाया आसमान देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमान देखो झूमता गगन
Hey family, it's Christie with Designs for a Diva, and in today's video, I have decided to start working on my office. OMG. This place is a mess, y'all. I work in here every day and things just seem to settle in here. And so what I'm going to do is, because my storage room is becoming a mess, is pull everything out and just try to organize it. Now, this isn't a decorate my office video. It's just really a deep clean with me. I am going to organize. I am going to throw away. I am going to give away. We got to get this house in order. Really, I can't function like this. So we might as well get to it. We're going to start with pulling everything out. And in no specific order, I just want to get more space and I want it to be neater. So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff piled in there. I mean, a lot of stuff. Like moving into this house, trying to figure out where stuff is going to go, trying to figure out what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to give away has really been a journey. So as you can see, like, there's no rhyme or reason to this stuff. Like, it's just stuff. It's just half of it I don't even need, I don't use, I don't want. I just don't know how to get rid of it. So comment below what methods you use to organize and to decide what you're going to keep and what you're going to get rid of, because I really need some help here. This is a lot. This is really a lot. Some things I don't like it in the color, but I just haven't done it. As you can see, here's almost everything out and just laying around, and I have moved my bookshelves around. I put all my candles up here so I can see them. These candle holders were so pretty. I caught them on sale at Wayfair, but one of them was broken, so I called them back, and the two new ones they sent are in the white foamy stuff, and they told me to keep the ones I had. So I figured I could use even the broken one, just turn it around. These little compartments house things that I know I'm going to use and keep, and all of my candles are down here. The pink zebra stripes are because the name of the company that those products come from are Pink Zebra. I'll do a separate video about them and tell you all about Pink Zebra. And then this other shelf I'm going to use for home decor items. Up top is just extra storage. Yeah, so that's how it looks. So now it's time to start going through everything. This is all like gift bags, gift wrapping paper, stuff like that. I keep it all in that one container. So, of course, I'm going to keep that. But here I have extra blankets, old comforters. Like, me and my husband love snuggling in a comforter, whether we're on the couch or whatever. So even though I want to get rid of them, I just can't see how I would do that. We use them so much. So I'm going to make this container for all my computer stuff, like Ethernet cords and different things. And then storage bags too can go in there, just to tuck them out of the way and have it all in one place so I know where it is. Those are old sheets and towels and stuff that I'm not going to use. I'm bagging them because those are going to be given away or what have you. I just got a lot of stuff, y'all, and a lot of stuff. So it's another towel. That's a blanket you can throw on your lap. I don't know why I tucked that in there. I should go right now and pull it out because we use that on the couch. But I'm basically just trying to make sure that I'm keeping what I need and going ahead and chunking what I don't need. That's an exercise band. I try to keep them on the back of my work chair just so I have something to do when I'm not super busy to work on getting rid of or losing the weight in my arms. Those are placemats. I change up the placemats at the island from time to time. Me and my husband will sit there and eat. So I keep placemats there. And whenever I find cute ones at the Dollar Tree, I get them because you can wipe them off. They're cute. You can even use them to like put under your coffee maker or on your kitchen countertops or something like that. So I try to keep those. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed right here. I'm finding stuff I hadn't seen in a while. This love sign that I have in my hand. I meant to do that on a DIY for a wreath, but I ended up finding a wreath that I liked and just putting it on the door. But I'm going to keep that because it can either hang on the wall or it can be used in a DIY. I've decided what pictures I'm going to keep, wall art and things, and so trying to find a place to put them out of the way. This is what it's looking like so far. I think that it's starting to really look neat, and I'm glad about that. So it's not complete, but here's where we landed at the end of today, and I just wanted to share that with you. I stuck these containers back in here, and these bags are stuff that's going to be donated. I'm going to fold them up neater and get them off to Goodwill this weekend. I probably should have showed you before I stuck all the rest of the stuff in here, but I did get it in pretty neat, and I'm so excited about that. I keep this box because I use it when I'm spray painting things and outside, and I have some stuff here that I'm getting ready to do, so I'll show you that when I do it. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna do a video with this. I got this in the mail. It's a painting that you use little diamonds to put together, so look for that real soon. Yeah, but this is what the storage closet is looking like. This bag that's hanging here is the parts to my carpet shampooer. I like to keep it where I can find it. Let's see it. As you can see, I have everything up there neatly, and I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do, stick that over there so I can use it. I just push my carpet shampooer and vacuum in when I'm not using them, because this is a storage closet. Oh, and the top just has stuff that I still need to go through. Some extra lampshades up there. That silver thing my Keurig sits on top of it, and the drawer pulls out, so all of your K-cups are in it. I'm not using it right now, but I love it. But yeah, that is the storage closet, and I just organized the shelf. I have cases and cases of albums that are in storage, and I'm gonna fill this up with albums and my record player. This is some more of the pink zebra. I have it here because I'm gonna light that in a minute. The name of that one is Fresh Juicy Pineapple. And I have UPS coming today to pick up a package. I'm gonna put it in there. And yeah, so you can actually see my closet. I'm sorry, I'm working over there, but you can actually see the couch and everything. I haven't cleaned in here, but I wanted to show you. I haven't put any pictures on the walls except for my things to do. Board and this, I like to have some sort of background when I'm on video for work. But yeah, we got it looking clean and neat in here, and I'm so excited. Maybe I'll do a clean with me and do the vacuuming and put pillows on the couches and all of that for you in a separate video. But this is my office, y'all. We can finally see it. Like I said, this wasn't a decorate with me. This was just a clean this place up. So we got her done. Thanks for watching.